Good morning and welcome to KKCL TV. This year KKCL hosted an international poetry and reading competition. Students from all over the world came to compete and win an important prize, which has been awarded by an international jury of experts. The award ceremony has just finished and we sent our teacher Eva to an exclusive interview with the winner.
Hello, this is Alex, the winner of our KKCL poetry competition. So congratulations.
Thank you.
How are you feeling about winning the competition today?
I'm exciting, very exciting. Yeah, because I'm the winner.
What about the other contestants? Were they also as good as you?
Yeah, they tried their best. I think everyone is the best one.
Okay, so thank you and back to your studio, guys.
London is a big town with a lot of people. But what is the most crowded place in London? Let's see it with Said. And that was Said from an elevator in Covent Garden. Most people go on holiday and Emma is one of them. She wants to see Calabria and she's looking for some advice. One of the students now studying at KKCL is from there. Emma, you're live.
So I'm going to Calabria on holiday this summer and I found a student here. Where are you from?
I'm from Calabria.
Perfect. So they say that Calabria is very famous for beautiful landscapes, for delicious food, and apparently the men are very furry. But this is not always true. Domenico, how old are you?
I'm 12.
Okay, so if I want to order something to eat in Calabria, what do I have to say?
Un panino casu prezzata e cu peperoncino piccante.
What?
Panino casu prezzata e cu peperoncino piccante.
Panino, patata, piccanti.
Casu prezzata,
With a finger.
prezzata.
Cazzo pizzata.
Yes. Casu prezzata e
Casu
cu
pizzata.
peperoncino piccante.
E pecuno with their tanti. I'm gonna stop. That's it from Calabria. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Datemi un panino casu frizzate o salame piccanti. It's not that hard. Summertime KKCL works with Harrow School, also known as Harry Potter School, because they film scenes from the Harry Potter movie saga there. Our teachers are preparing the activities for this summer, and they are teaching us how to use magic. Dennis has prepared the clip to explain us how the magic box works.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
And now let's see live how KKCL students are doing with this piece of magic.
Guys, it doesn't work. See, it doesn't work. Give it to me. I'll show you. Look, it's orange, it's banana, and it's orange. Guys, what about this? Orange and a candle.
No, it's too much.
Yes, we're doing it.
And this is all for KKCL TV. Thank you for staying with us. My name is Antonella and please subscribe at our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and see you next time. Bye!